Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So first of all, good news, the brakes are fixed. I shot a little video the other day, a couple weeks ago now actually, pulling the drum off, pulling all the parts out, cleaning it up with some brake cleaner. I'm going to link the video in the description. It's going to be private, so if you want to go check it out, cool. If you don't care, I respect that, so you don't have to go watch if you don't want to. I'm not gonna post it live, and I'm not able to drive the truck currently because I broke my one and only key. You see, I broke my key, and when I pulled the lock cylinder out to take to a locksmith, I had him dig out the chunk. It fell apart in my hands, so I ordered that basically 3 weeks ago, and I'm still waiting for it. So I figured in the meantime I can do a little DIY project. What I want to do is I got this PVC pipe, and what I want to do is I want to extend a tarp off of here and just extend it off the back of the truck. And then if I do any winter truck camping and camp out of the back, I can set up my cot in the back like I normally would, or like I talked about, and just run a tarp shelter off with this 3/4 inch PVC, which I got for free, which I'll throw in a clip. I mean, picking it up. I actually pulled this out of the garbage, so it's recycled. So what I'm working on now is I want to go down and get some of these connector pieces. So maybe something like this, or something with a curve, because I don't want to do a flat top. I want to do a curved, so it's not going to be, it won't pull up water. So I'm actually going to be heading down to the Home Depot here soon to get those going. I got my hacksaw to cut the pipe. That should work well. Of course, I got to clean out the back of the truck too and get all the junk out of here, but hit the store and I'll be back. Thought I'd share kind of a sweet score. So I'm up here turning around, and I spot a pile of PVC pipe. And they were throwing it away, so I asked him if I could have it, and he said, yeah. Score. I got plans for this. I'm going to take it off, because it's garbage anyway. It's like the, what, ½ inch, I think? An inch or ½ inch? Take all of it. Because what I can do is I can use fittings like this, and I can put, piece them together. So I mean, I just saved myself like $10. Of course, it all doesn't. The downside to having a short head is it fits. Screw in here. And And we're back. It's actually the next morning. I went to Home Depot yesterday and I picked up some of these fittings. This whole bag of goodies was only, after taxes, it was like $11. So my idea is, and I'm still working out how I want to do this, but the idea is I want to go straight, curve up, and when it hits the top, go with one of these 90 degrees and then come back down to another one and then down to the ground again. So the top, and then two of these on each side. Like this. And then for these, I'm gonna do a support off on the sides, so just straight across. That will give it a little bit of stability. I don't know if I'm gonna need 4 more of these because well, I lost my train of thought. So I don't know if I'm going to need 4 more for each of the 4 sides. I should post this as a short video and get your suggestions, but I think it should work out. Because I only need to go I only need to go just over the top of the canopy. So I don't need it to be super tall. But I do want to have a little bit of room to sit under. Although I could do the front towards the truck shorter and then do a little taller in the back. But I don't know. Because if I do it just over the canopy here, then I'm going to be ducking the whole time. And that's not very cool. Or I could go high enough and just drape the tarp down. So higher would be better so I could at least stand fully upright. So let me ponder off camera and then I'll bring it back. Alright, I'm just kind of going through and taking the screws out because I don't need them. I don't know what they built with this. It was from a schoolyard, so it might have been for sports something. Man, some of these screws are all bent. I'll probably just throw them in the trash. I don't think I need them. And I don't want to use screws to hold it together because, let's see if I have one that's together I can show you. I don't think I do. Darn it. Well, anyway, if they were screwed together, I would worry that it would turn, so I don't want that. That would be no bueno. Let's see here. This piece, this piece. So these here are all the same length, give or take. I mean, they're all pretty close. I can just put a bungee on the bottom. So these could be I think I have more of these. It's not like I can cut 2, but these might be a good height for this piece. Actually, I guess you can't see that. So these might be a good height. And then I just need to go up to the apex, the top. and put this on here so it sort of look like this, if that's clear. And actually, it's got a pretty sharp angle though. That's not going to give me a whole lot of, that's only going to give me about this much space, so I might have to go higher to get more room. Sorry, I'm just kind of figuring this out as I go. I'm sure there'll be a ton of great comments. Oh, you should do this, this, this. So, yeah. Thanks for that.